Hello everyone, I'm Andy, and today we're diving into something truly empowering. 25 smart English sentences that will make you sound incredibly confident. In today's fast-paced world, clear and confident communication in English isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. It opens doors, builds connections, and boosts your self-assurance. These phrases will help you express yourself with impact. Let's start with our first powerful phrase. I'm confident we can achieve this. Use this to express belief in your team's abilities or your own. It shows leadership and conviction. Next up, I'm happy to take the lead on this. This phrase demonstrates initiative and willingness to take responsibility. Number 3, I believe we should consider. This is perfect for introducing a new idea or perspective respectfully. Our fourth sentence, my perspective on this is. It allows you to share your viewpoint clearly and assertively. Sentence 5, I'm certain. Use this when you have strong conviction about a fact or outcome. Next, I'm looking forward to. This expresses enthusiasm and anticipation for future events or collaborations. Sentence 7, I'm pleased to announce. A great way to share positive news or developments with authority. Number 8, I'm prepared. This shows readiness and a proactive approach to challenges or tasks. Sentence 9, I'm committed to. Use this to convey dedication and strong resolve towards a goal or project. Our 10th phrase, I'm excited about. Express genuine enthusiasm and passion for a topic or opportunity. Moving on to 11, I'm here to help, a simple yet powerful phrase that offers support and collaboration. Sentence 12, I appreciate your input. This shows respect for others' opinions and fosters a collaborative environment. Number 13, that's an excellent point. Acknowledging good ideas from others boosts morale and shows you're engaged. Sentence 14. I completely agree with you. Expressing full agreement reinforces consensus and builds rapport. 15. I understand your concern. This phrase validates others' feelings and opens the door for constructive dialogue. Next, let's explore that further. It encourages deeper discussion and shows a willingness to delve into details. Sentence 17. I'd like to propose. This is a confident way to introduce a suggestion or a new plan. Number 18. I'm open to suggestions. It shows flexibility and a collaborative spirit, inviting input from others. Sentence 19. I'll ensure it gets done. This conveys reliability and a strong sense of accountability. Our 20th phrase, I'm happy to clarify, offers assistance and ensures clear understanding, preventing miscommunication. 21. I'm ready for the challenge. This expresses courage and a positive attitude towards difficulties. Sentence 22. I'm grateful for this opportunity. Shows humility and appreciation. Building positive relationships. Number 23. I'm positive about the outcome. Radiates optimism and confidence in a successful result. Sentence 24. I'm eager to learn more. This highlights curiosity and a growth mindset, essential for development. And finally, 25. I'm here to make a difference. A powerful statement of purpose and impact. There you have it, 25 smart English sentences to boost your confidence. Remember, practice is key. Integrate these phrases into your daily conversations, and you'll notice a significant improvement in how you communicate. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Keep practicing and stay confident.